I'm baby JC. I'm little, I'm glowing, and I've got a heart full of light. Every night, I float through the stars, looking for little friends like you to share stories with. Tonight, I want to tell you a very special story. It's the story of how I came into the world. Are you snuggled in? Good. Let's begin. In my little town of Nazareth, the sun was like a warm blanket. I was playing in my daddy Joseph's workshop. The room smelled so nice, like fresh wood and sunshine. Daddy was humming a happy song while making a little chair. Suddenly, I heard something. It wasn't my daddy's song. It wasn't the wind. It was a tiny, tiny sound coming from outside the door. It sounded like a little bell, crying softly. Peep, peep, peep. It sounded so lonely. I tiptoed to the door and looked down. There, on the dusty ground, was a little baby bird. He was just a little ball of fluff with two big, scared eyes. He had fallen from his nest and was trembling all over. My heart felt a little ouch for him. He looked so lost. I sat down very slowly so I wouldn't scare him. I whispered, "It's okay, little one. I'm your friend. You don't have to be afraid." He stopped trembling and just looked at me. "Peep," he said, as if asking a question. I looked up, way up to the roof of our house. And there it was, a little nest made of twigs and mud. I could see another bird, the mommy bird, flying around the nest. She looked so worried. She kept looking down and chirping sadly. She couldn't get down to her baby, and her baby couldn't fly up to her. I looked at the mommy bird, and my heart made a silent promise to her heart. I didn't need to use words. I just knew I had to help them. I had to bring her baby home. But the nest was so high, and I was so little. What could I do? Then I had an idea. I ran back inside. "Daddy," I said, tugging on his shirt. "Daddy, can you help me? Can you be my tall, strong tree for just a minute?" My daddy Joseph put down his tools. He smiled his big, warm smile that always made me feel safe. He came outside, and when he saw the baby bird, he understood right away. He bent down, lifted me up, and placed me gently on his strong shoulders. Suddenly, I was tall enough to reach the nest. Very, very gently, I scooped the tiny bird into my hands. He felt warm and soft. My daddy walked slowly towards the nest, and carefully, I placed the little bird back with his brothers and sisters. The moment he was safe, the mommy bird landed on the edge of the nest. She nudged her baby with her beak, and then she looked at me. She sang the most beautiful, happy song. It was a thank you song. My whole heart felt like it was glowing just from helping a tiny friend. That night, I looked up at the stars, the same stars you see outside your window. I didn't wear a crown. I didn't have a palace. But I came with something brighter. Love. And that love is still here, floating in the stars, hiding in your prayers, and waiting in your dreams. So close your eyes now. I'm right here with you. And tomorrow, I'll tell you another story. Good night, little one. You are deeply, truly